Hello, I'm John Russell. Vowel sounds are very important in American English. If you want to reduce your accent or sound more like an American, it is worth paying careful attention to the differences between these sounds. So, let's play a game. We will explore the difference between two vowel sounds. The first one is written like this in International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. A. This vowel sound appears in words such as play or rain. The second vowel sound is written like this in IPA. E. This vowel sound appears in words like end or heavy. So, we have our two vowel sounds, A and E. You will now hear one word. Which vowel sound do you hear? Take. Take. Let's listen one more time. Take. The answer is A, take. Now, let's try another word. Which vowel sound do you hear? Tech. Tech. Let's listen one more time. Tech. The answer is E, tech. That's all for today. In future videos, we will do more fun games that explore the sounds of American English. Don't forget to watch more of our videos at our website, learningenglish.voanews.com.